Although the state government has imposed a curfew in the Agartala Municipal Corporation area till 26th of May and night curfew is imposed in the entire state to curb the rate of infection, but a section of people are still disobeying the rules. Friday is the 5th day of Corona curfew, but even in this situation, crowds of people could be seen at various markets in capital city Agartala. Many are running business, opening half shutters or doors. Rules and regulations imposed by the government are not obeyed at all. People are recklessly coming out on the streets, citing various excuses. Although in the morning hours, police and administrative officials can be seen a bit active, but as the day progresses, their activity and vigilance also decreases. Few people are taking advantage of this opportunity. It has been alleged that those who have been entrusted with the responsibility to carry out strict vigilance are not fulfilling their responsibilities properly. To check movement of vehicles, various checking points have been set up at important roads of capital city Agartala. But there too, allegations have been raised that the traffic police and police personnel in charge are not performing duties properly. Immense movement of cars, scooters, bikes could be noticed in the entire day. Question arises, how can the situation be normalized and infection be contained if the administration doesn't take strict steps against the rule breakers? Administration needs to take more drastic measures against the free movement of people. It is also important to take strict legal action against those who breaks the rules. Otherwise, it will be difficult to deal with this dire situation of COVID pandemic. Witnessing the incidents, responsible citizens and intellectuals have raised question that it is not only necessary to enact laws, but it is also necessary to make proper arrangements in order to implement those. Bureau Report, Halabol.